Hello guys, I'm thinking of starting a YC startup, and this is exactly what my company would do. I'm just thinking sharing everything publicly. So I always wanted to what I like now is that these new AI models, they can do science, they can do engineering, they can do AI research themselves, they can do so much autonomous auto research, auto optimization. I got first of all inspired by Discovery Loop. These are like the Google ex-engineers. They want to automate experiment loops, automate science engineering, all of this stuff, because they say that AI is now good enough, especially the new AI in next 1-2 years. It's going to be able to do science automatically. So I feel like solving AI research, solving math, biology, all of these are like good goals. So maybe if I go to YC, and YC is good in these like startups, accelerators, because I feel like they are just made for this, to help me figure out start a company. And then how are we gonna make money? Because science, you see, they can raise money because they have so much experience and all this stuff. But how am I gonna raise money? And I feel like we need to sell something, of course. And so what are we gonna sell? So we're gonna be, we could possibly, so there are like, companies have so many like algorithms that are done by computers. So every company that has any kind of computer stuff, computer algorithm that can be optimized, we're going to optimize with Sol, with Fable, with all of these agents. So that could be like the first product that's going to make us money. So companies, they have algorithms, and here, for example, some recommendation algorithm. Right here, I'm testing one. Where is it? So this LightFM is very famous algorithm. I don't know exactly what it's for. I don't need to know. My goal is that to build this AI harness that can take any algorithm. Humans don't need to understand it. It should optimize by itself, this algorithm. So I built this open discovery repository. It's like skills, prompts, maybe some systems, instructions of how to do autonomous research, autonomous optimization, autonomous hill climbing, whatever you want to call it. Now it has 9 stars. You can check it out. I'm gonna keep it open source. Even if I go to YC, I want to keep this open source, the science, the technology, all of this open source. Because, as I said, my goal is not to just build a company. My goal is to help solve math, biology, all of this stuff, AI research. So I think we will also train our own AI models. We want to do that for sure. Possibly even LLMs, but those don't make money, so I'll think about that. Okay, so let's maybe just go together and see how I'm like talking to Codex, trying to figure out the strategy here. Because let's say we have some, like let's say there is some company, and they have some like a lot of like algorithms. I feel like everything that's done by computers can be optimized. And then if we are talking about making money, then we want to maybe target some problems that need repeated optimization. Maybe the system is changing or something, as opposed to just optimizing it once. We need like repeat customers. That's what I figured this out here. Also, my experiment here, open discovery experiment, seems like it is doing some improvements because Sol is so good. Sol is doing some improvements, optimizations, all of this stuff. Let's see what it's gonna do later. So I will just let Sol optimize this, and then I'm gonna make a GitHub repository publishing this optimized recommendation algorithm. And my strategy for growth is to post on social media open source. Open source is such a good strategy. People think somebody will steal your idea, but I don't think so. I think you will just like get many people to follow you on social media, to talk to you, companies will know about you. And even if some people, I actually want other people to work on this. If somebody can solve science, solve math tomorrow, I would press the button even if I cannot start this company. So my goal is actually to help accelerate this science and stuff. I don't care if somebody is gonna steal my idea or something. I'm trying to get people to do this actually. By the way, if you want to learn AI research, you can just join community here. There are so many people from California, India, US, China, Europe, everywhere. Everybody trying to become AI researcher. I'm going to leave it below the video. So I believe that other businesses, I feel like even big pharmaceutical companies that sell medicine and stuff, they need to optimize a bunch of stuff. This also suits me because it's biology. Of course, when we work with other businesses, we will I'm not gonna be opening sourcing their stuff, but I wanna open source all of my stuff and how to build this technology. And here you see that this algorithm was optimized almost 4 times on my MacBook by Sol. I think this is like what we need to do. This is the big maybe blue ocean. This is the big opportunity. So many algorithms that can now just simply be auto-optimized by Sol, Fable, etc. So I'm gonna post this repository, make this into a new GitHub repo and post it. Just add on top of README that you optimized it and how. Okay, and so I feel like if I just keep sharing, keep doing these things on social media, maybe you can join my Discord as well if you're using our tool. Maybe I want to do that as well. Maybe I want to encourage people to use our tool to give feedback. I think this is a very good example of how to build a good tool in open source. So OpenAI Codex. It's very good because they are talking to people here. Anybody can post issues. Right now the coding is not a problem. Coding of a feature is not a problem. Codex can code the feature. The problem is knowing what people want, what people need. This is the bottleneck right now. What do other people need? What do other people want? And open source is a very good way to figure this out. So I'm gonna keep it open source, and then that's gonna accelerate everybody else. And right now, I think because this is optimized, I think I'm just gonna talk to here Sol. I'm gonna tell it to update documentation, update our open discovery system with things it needs. I feel like I don't need to manually write prompts. I feel like Sol can do it. I do think though that we will have to go through traces, maybe carefully look what's going on, how it's optimizing, maybe building some evaluations manually. But for now, I can just talk to it to maybe quickly build this prototype system. So after it finishes, why is it giving such trash name though? So yeah, I'm gonna also post this on X. I'm gonna tell it to write an X post. I have some skill to write an X post. I have this skill to make a X post. So if you want, you can screenshot this. Then you can screenshot this part. Maybe screenshot this part. And then if you wanna modify it later, you can just tell your AI agent to. I need so many screenshots. I didn't know it was so long. But you can tell your AI agent to actually transcribe this and write a skill based on this. So here I asked Sol to find some repositories on GitHub that we can auto-optimize, and then I'm just gonna post those repositories later, optimized versions, just like this one. That's how we're gonna get customers, build some community and all this stuff. So these are like Pillow. Oh, it's interesting. I'm curious if it's actually possible for us to optimize Pillow. These seem to be very famous. Maybe very famous ones are already hyper-optimized. For example, TileLang, TensorFlow, or PyTorch, not TensorFlow. PyTorch, maybe those are very optimized. Maybe we wanna target stuff that are not optimized by so many people, and stuff inside of companies is not actually optimized by so many people. So compared to PyTorch and these open things. So I think there is a lot of things new AIs like Sol can optimize, and that's the opportunity. But maybe my growth strategy is just to keep posting on YouTube, keep open sourcing, getting attention, building community, building the skill, accelerating science, doing all of this. So this is the repository. I just published it, and there is around 4 times speed improvement. So this is how I plan to maybe build this algorithm to get people to use it as well. And I'm just gonna keep posting this. I don't know why there is this. Okay, we'll fix that later. And then I'll also tell it to try to optimize these other algorithms and stuff. So we'll see how this works well. I think if it's able to optimize these other algorithms, then other companies, maybe other companies will need help optimizing their internal tools and stuff and algorithms. So that's how we can make money, our company, this way. So if you wanna learn to do AI research, you can just join the community here. I'm gonna leave it below the video, and see you next time.